Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all this eye makeup look that I achieved by using NYC Cosmetics Individual Eyes limited edition palette called Designer Denim that looks like this right here. This palette is what was used to help to create the eye look that you're seeing. And what I love best about this palette is color you see, color you are definitely going to get. The eyeshadows are insanely pigmented and they're not chalky when applied. This palette also comes with its own primer and built-in illuminator to help to intensify the color of the shadows that you are applying. And even if you happen to be new to wearing makeup, it even have written instructions guiding you on where to place the eyeshadows. But if you happen to misplace this or throw it away, you don't gotta worry about it, because on the back of the palette it even has a pictorial that still guides you on how to create a fabulous eye look. This eyeshadow only cost me $2, and I will link it down in the description box below on where you can get it from. And it's also sold in your local beauty supply stores. It's sold in Walmart, Target, or wherever NYC Cosmetics is sold, but the pricing will vary when it comes to those stores that I just mentioned. Now, like I said, if you're new to wearing makeup, this is the perfect beginner friendly palette because it's giving you everything you need. And if you happen to be a pro at wearing makeup, even your possibilities are endless to the amount of looks that you can create too. So enough of me rambling about this palette. And if you want to see how I used it to create the eye look that you're seeing, keep watching this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls. I'm starting by priming the entire mobile area of my eye with my fingertips by blending up towards my brow bone. Then I'll be using my matte mineralized skin finish in the color called medium deep to set the primer and as a transitional color to help the eyeshadows to blend together. So here's the palette. The fun part, these colors are insanely pigmented. Color you see, color you're definitely going to get. I'm starting out with the navy blue color that's labeled Crease. These eyeshadows are not chalky when applied and they blend effortlessly easy. I'm going back into the palette, and this is how I do my cut crease, and I'm showing you a way in which it's done. I'm using the primer, and I'm going to start by outlining the entire shape of my mobile eyelid, the entire shape, by going deep into my crease. Once I get the line going, I'm then going to begin filling it in gently by using my fingertips because it warms the product up, and I'm just going to fill that in. Once I do that, I'm going to go back to the part that's labeled eyelid and take the blue and place it only where I placed the concealer at, by placing it on the eyelid, going back, picking up the white powder and brightening up my inner tear ducts. This is going to help give me that gradient ice blue effect by placing it only on the inner tear ducts. Going back into the palette, taking the darkest color, and here is where I focus in heavy on that outer V. This is going to help to define the shape of my eyes by focusing in heavy on that outer V and giving me the smoky eyed appeared look. Off camera, apply my false eyelashes and my wing liner. And now I'm going to move into using my foundation. I like using this little spoolie stick, which I'm going to place down in the description box below. It has been a godsend as to helping me maximize how much product I can get out of my bottles, because I paid way too much money for me not to be able to use all the foundation. Blend out that foundation, my entire face, using my blending brush. And the lighting in this video is fluctuating a little bit because I'm recording with natural daylight. Mother Nature's trying to do the absolute most, but I'm pushing through this video, so please excuse the lighting as it fluctuates. Once I blend my entire face, that same spoolie, I'm picking up the concealer, you see what I'm talking about? You see this? I placed the concealer under my eyes, I blended that out, and now I'm moving into using my liquid highlighter. I've gotten obsessed with using liquid highlighter. It gives me a beautiful glowy highlight, a beautiful glow highlight, and it's not overwhelming. It's daytime friendly when I do this and don't look like I'm strobing somewhere. A beautiful highlight by using liquid highlighter. followed by a little bit of blush, my Milani Rose blush. Little goes a long way. I'm not much of a blush wearer. And my favorite nude lipstick topped with my lip gloss. And this just concluded the video. Not bad. I really enjoy how this look came out. Like I said, excuse the lighting because of Mother Nature. But the palette is definitely worth you dolls looking into. So please check down in the description box below for it. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. And I will see y'all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.